Hello my friends, this will be a little bit longer video than my usual videos are, and I will explain how I prepare my coffee in nature. Today I will prepare espresso here near to the beautiful village of Padua. I really like this place. This is one of my favorite. It's close to my hometown. Okay, you can see how wild it is here. And the beauty of preparing coffee in such places like this is that you feel the nature more, you suck the place. It's really a feeling. Just try it. Okay, for today I will prepare espresso using my wacaco picopresso device. I really like it, and yeah. I will use a grinder from Comandante. Yeah, I know the grinder is heavy, but still making your drink with freshly ground coffee is crucial for me, so I carry on with me. But you can use pre-ground coffee, and I even have a scale. That's crazy, I know, I'm crazy a little bit, but yeah. You can use in containers like this when you can pre-weigh your beans. But I will prepare everything now from the scratch using my scale, my stove. I really suggest to use a good one because previously I had some cheap stoves and it was a nightmare waiting for 20-30 minutes to have boiling water. It's like not a pleasure, so to say. Okay, let's prepare our espresso drink today. I know it's absolutely unusual to use in nature and glass, but it's beautiful, so I use it. Okay, let's pre-weigh my beans. I will use 15 and a half grams of coffee beans that I roast by myself. So fresh coffee beans, I would say. Okay, I will try not to make edits and this to be the whole process from the start till the end. Okay, let's remove a little bit. Okay, and our beans are ready. Meanwhile, I will start boiling my water because this is the longest process in the whole process, I would say. Okay, putting some water here. Freshly, I just got this water from the region. It's clear, pure, clear mountain water from a real mountain, Bulgaria. If you have chance, come to Bulgaria and visit this place, Real Mountain. Okay, starting boiling the water, and I will tell a few more words about the experience to have coffee in such places like this. It's like you're one with the place. You feel every single leaf, every single rock. I just want to show you. I will get the camera now. How interesting is this place? Look at this. We have everything here, and I will put now camera closer. This will be a very natural video. I won't edit anything. Just for you, to show you the whole process. And of course, if you want, you can comment in the video. You can tell me if you want doing things like this, being in nature, preparing your coffee, or why not, and some other activities. I think camera is fine now. Okay, let's grind our coffee beans. Here I am. Water is close to boiling. Let's see what's going on here. So I have everything ready. And now, even closer with the camera, just want to see the whole magic. As I said, no cuts. So that's it. Okay, we have everything in the set of wacaco picopresso. We have funnel, tamper. It's very convenient and I really like it. When it comes to espresso, of course, I like V60 and Aeropress as well, but now I decided to be espresso. Okay, down here, and I will show you how I make stealing my grounds. I usually take something from the nature like yeah. Oh, the sun is coming out. How beautiful it is. Okay, let's try to leveling a little bit, jumping. As I said, I will use 15.5 grams of freshly roasted, freshly ground coffee beans. Yes, put all together. Here's my scale. Yeah, the water is boiling. I will show you. It's good to use raw boiling water because the temperature will go down for sure when put it in the coffee device. I don't name it coffee machine, but coffee device is really cool. Whoa, you see the sun? Ooh. Okay. Raw boiling now. Okay, I will put here the camera, but why not to put the camera here on the rock? It will be even more interesting. My my shadows. Okay. Here is the machine, here is the hot water. And now let's put here the cup, the glass. And we'll try to capture from the bottom like this. Like this. Okay. Let's begin this extraction. We have pre-infusion now. We have to wait a little bit and start pumping. And our espresso is ready. I'll take the camera again. So we have espresso on the edge of these rocks. I will show you down the rocks now. What do you think? Isn't it cool? Isn't it cool? Yeah, it's really cool. So I will switch off my camera now and I will enjoy my drink, but I will show you where exactly I will do this. I really will appreciate your comments, so if you have time, just put me some comments here. And for now I will say bye bye and have your coffee in beautiful occasions like this one. Thank you for your attention. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel to see more things like this. If you are into coffee, I'm your guy. Thank you. Picopresso, espresso, nature. Victor, beers everywhere. Bye bye.